slide through. Catching all this smoke like I roll too. Cause you know that they be hating too. But we just keep on building up, we bulletproof, yeah.
Hello there. Alright, it's another day. Finally got some parts. We gotta switch this part on the wastegate. We gotta officially clock the turbo. So I got my little 13mm wrench in my hand. Clock the turbo. Put some spark plugs. Crank this thing and see if it can build oil pressure. And if it can build oil pressure, I could put the downpipe. Put the new wastegate cover since I kind of stripped that and I kind of failed taking it out. So yeah, woo! Alright, so we're gonna start off with the wastegate. Again, since this thing is stripped, hopefully it's the right one in this box, because low-key that would suck. Super suck. Oh, that might be hot.
Why? Are they in the wrong part?
Oh, it might be hot. Looks the same. Looks the same.
Looks good to me.
Fits. I just don't say Hypergate.
So the top piece fit, and now we gotta put in this press.
A vice?
Smash that thingy
Press?
down.
Oh.
Whatever, bro. You don't say the right name for half of this.
Right.
Yeah, we gotta put in the press
Right.
and press it down so that that spring collapses and we can screw it on. Fun stuff. Lucky that this press is here because we definitely not strong enough.
What you mean? I did it by hand.
Word?
Hell yeah.
Okay, so you strong then.
I just got tools now.
Let it rip.
That would have been smart. That would have been smart.
Yo, you can't screw it on, get a spanner wrench. Look at that. It's smooth as butter.
Smooth as butter. Nope.
Work smart, not hard.
Yo, for real. Bruh. There's no way this thing is still that loose.
Damn, son. What'd you do? Drop that shit?
Yep. Alright, we're done. Whoop, whoop.
Fancy ships.
Hey, low-key, I'm a idiot, though.
If it fits, it ships.
I'm a bot.
Why? What'd you do?
Didn't clock me.
They didn't clock it.
Time to unscrew that whole thing.
Damn!
Hey, you better put it back in the vise too, because, or the press, because if you don't, that shit gotta clock you in the face. It's gonna be like, who you trying to clock? I'm gonna clock you. That's crazy. Round 2, fight. That boy got it clocked this time, hopefully. That shit is spinning. Not gonna lie, it's kinda spinning though.
Wastegate's done. Gotta put it on. Gotta jack the car up. Clock the turbo. Yay.
Alright, we clocking the turbo now. Turbo getting clocked. We gonna hit it right on the jawline.
Jawline?
You about to turn that up.
Why a jawline?
Which way you clocking it?
That way.
Gotcha. Trying to make the intercooler piping fit because Mama Huevo over here doesn't want to buy new intercooler piping.
Mama Huevo. How these people gonna know what Mama Huevo is, bro?
Man, everyone who gonna start watching us off the rip is definitely gonna be from Miami. They gonna be in the comment section. Drop a Mama Huevo if you know what we talking about.
Drop a Mama Huevo. Drop a Mama Huevo. You're number one Mama Huevo.
Tremenda Mama Huevo.
Gonna get banned and we got no clout. It's still not dry.
Nah, bro, I put it in for another 20 minutes.
Bro.
Yeah, bro. It's wet as hell.
That already smelled like old wet clothes.
That's disgusting.
Hey, for reference, for everyone watching this, me and this dum-dum went out for a bike ride in this Florida rain. It just started pouring on us. And we, what you mean? There's water all over the damn floor. Anyways, so yeah, we got rained on. Clothes got soaked. They went in the dryer twice. They still soaked. Built different. But yeah, we gonna put this wastegate on though.
Blow off valve?
Blow off valve, whatever, bro. I don't have a turbo car. You should be the one explaining this anyways.
I can't explain.
I hope you know you're the one putting this thing back together.
I'm kind of just winging it. I'm gonna try to pull it. I'm actually pushing it in.
Pull it off, come on.
Why are you backing up like I'm about to slap you with?
What's that piping for anyways?
With this?
Yeah.
For when I decide to actually make intercooler piping. When I'm rich.
Hey, show them where that wrench was. You was looking for the wrench, weren't you?
Hey. It is what it is.
That boy over here losing his own tools, getting mad at us.
Mm-hmm.
Turn that wrench, boy.
That's racist. Damn it, Spirit, where the hell are you going? Didn't I tell you bring your ass over down here?
That boy tripping. You be like the angry Walmart greeter of air traffic control.
Why the
Why the aren't you listening to me?
Why the Nah, I gotta be smart like your dad. What was the one that he said? Can't wait to see you.
Oh, see you next time.
See you next time.
Yeah.
You know what that's for? Yo, that would have blew right over my head. I'm like, all right, bro, see you next time. Like, being so serious. I gotta fuck up.
Is it still wet? Yo, there's no way.
Nah, it's better.
Is
We
it
just
good?
Hang out there. And
Oh yeah,
air
just
dry.
leave. It's not like 3 shades darker. It was like almost black before. Yo, these guys, the only ones that I know to be actually using a whiteboard. Look at this shit, cute, bro. They got all their little things lined up in a row.
Alright, so all my rotary guys, we spark plugs you need, part number, they're cheaper at O'Reilly's.
Hold it still, man. Damn. Yo, you gonna piss these people off. They're gonna be like, I'm trying to read the number.
O'Reilly's. Can you see it?
O'Reilly's.
O'Reilly's.
We're not sponsored, so I ain't finishing that shit.
Sponsor us.
For
You feel me?
real.
Spark plugs expensive. Yes, sir.
Yo, you not just lick that shit.
Tasty.
Are you-
You know it suck?
What?
These shits don't fit.
That'd be tragic. Because we rode through the rain to get that shit. Bike ride through hell to get these spark plugs and then they don't fit. I'd be mad.
We live it.
Do they fit?
Yeah, they fit.
Oh, you I thought you were being for real. I was like, yo, wait, chill.
Yo, if these didn't fit, I'd be mad as hell. You know, I'm kind of dumb.
Why?
I should have got regular spark plugs for the first start until we take go get tuned.
You know?
True.
Well, you know, what's $150? This ain't shit.
This guy's rich, bro.
Psych. That boy poor as hell. Get it from the back. 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 Can you even see this?
Yeah.
Is it nice and clear?
Yeah.
Quality.
Alright, I can't see your big head. I'm zoomed in right now on the spark plug.
Quality. Easy.
Yo, yours is mad easy. When I had the RX-8, bro, you gotta take off
the RX-8.
Yo, you gotta take a whole wheel off just to replace that stupid shit.
Screw the RX-8. That's the dumbest spark plug position ever. And especially if like the car is like 100% stock. It is a nightmare. Ugh.
Well, that is what mine was.
Your car was a stock?
Pretty much.
Didn't you have an intake on in it?
No. I had... What did I have? I had exhaust. I had exhaust and I had, coils. I had rims. I had, aftermarket Walbro 150. And then... No, was it 150? It was a 110, right? What was the one that you told me to get? It was a 110, right? Walbro 110, or was it a 150?
450.
450? No, I didn't have a 450 in there.
250.
Was it a 250?
I don't know.
You sure? I think it was a 150. It was like 100 something bucks.
I don't know.
Whatever. Anyways, I had a Walbro,
You know
and
how long
then
ago that was?
and then I had Eric tune that shit, and that was it. And I was making like, I don't know, like 250 wheels, something like
And then he blew it up.
Yeah, and then the pilot bearing that we changed decided to blow that up.
Told you.
Hey, never change the pilot bearing on a on anything. Actually, just don't do it. No, Rx7. Don't change it on nothing. That's just asking for your trans to blow up, unless it's brand new. Then
We put one on the IS and it was chilling.
okay, unless it's brand new or it's a Lexus. Pardon me.
So spark plugs on, turbo rotated. Extract this thing up so we can put the wastegate, the downpipe, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Turn it over, maybe start it, even though I'm supposed to wait till like this weekend to do it, but never know. So let's get to work.
Get it out the way. Alright, this guy over here talking about, no bro, edit the cursing out. Edit the cursing out, and then he's gonna sit in the background. Move.
Nah, bro. Josh got it.
Yo, I'm gonna have you edit the damn curse words out.
Say that.
I thought about it, but I was like, alright, whatever. We're gonna be like, not cursing, so I'm gonna calm down. Yo, I hate you guys.
What?
We already agreed to not curse.
Hey, listen.
Stop giving me more shit to edit.
The best thing to do is be yourself and have fun. Why are we gonna sit here and torture ourselves and be like, oh, let's not curse? Nah.
Yo, I hate you guys.
The other day I was telling homie, jacket from the subframe, jacket from the front, jacket from the subframe.
Yo. Nah, bro. Why would you do that?
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. He jacked this, and I kid you not, like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
We were talking, and before I knew it, this was already in the air getting jack stands put underneath it.
30 seconds.
Whatever, bro. 10 minutes, 30 seconds. Y'all sleep. It was not 30 seconds.
It was
but
like 30 seconds.
cap. It was like 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
It was like 4 minutes.
Now you lying on my capabilities.
Nah.
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Get out of here.
Nah, bro. 4. Quattro.
3.5.
Fine. I'll give you 3.5.
1.5 minutes.
Wait, no, I gave you 3.5. We're not going any lower.
1.5.
This ain't a haggling.
1.5. It's what's that show called? Wheel of Fortune. Insert clip.
Get it in. Get it in.
Oh. You got it?
Yeah.
Don't let it go. Like, push towards it.
I am pushing towards it. Bruh. Well, after shattering my tendons holding this piece of shit for him to put this on,
Wow.
we finally got it on there.
Don't forget, you gotta edit this.
Absolutely. Now we're replacing it with the. Alright, but yeah. We had to take off the pipe though. So, you know, the pipe down there. So we're gonna have to pick the pipe back up and put it onto the flange again. But, you know, whatever. If we're able to get it on, we got it on. Because that was starting to get really irritating.
Don't know if y'all peeped, but it's a whole nother day. Just letting y'all know. Didn't say it at the beginning of this clip, but whatever. We got the wastegate on. I'm thinking about throwing the downpipe on before I put the car back on the floor. And then I guess that'll probably be a wrap for this video. And then next video, maybe we start it, right, Carlos?
Yes, sir.
Maybe that's the plan. So catch us in the next clip. I don't know if you want to show them that the wastegate's in there.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna show them because I just broke my arms putting that thing in.
So yeah, both wastegates are in.
Wastegate 1, wastegate 2, the pipe back on that one, you know.
Y'all know the deal. It's on. It's on. We'll see in the next clip when we put on the downpipe. I bet. Deuces. Alright. Here's our handy dandy downpipe. Nothing special. Slide in the hole. Mash it to the turbo. V-band. V-band. Yeah. Let's hope I don't scratch my engine bay. You know, it'd be even funnier if I ain't clock all this crap right.
That'd be like funnier in a demented way. I'd be like, I don't even know. I'd be like, damn, we just clocked all that other shit. Bada bing, bada bing.
Bada bing.
Mr. Worldwide as I step in the room. I think that's what he says, right? I don't know. I haven't listened to that bald Cuban man in like 20 years. Yeah.
Low-key, it feels like decades.
It's been like at least like 12, 13 years.
I feel like middle school, high-key.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to leave the downpipe a little loose until we actually put the rest of the exhaust on, just so we can make adjustments as we go. Gonna run this through my little handy dandy boot that I cut off from some random car in the junkyard. Honestly, I think it was a Dodge Caravan. I don't even know. But yeah, I'm gonna slide that sucker in. We know that's done. Put this thing on the floor. I think we're done for the day, man. It's too hot. It's
It is
humid.
too hot.
I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. Chick-fil-A,
I need-
sponsor us, bro.
I need to eat and I need a nap.
Y'all boys need some chicken. Yo, all I could think of, the weirdest thing ever, I like rocks.
If you know,
Yeah.
you know.
If you know, you know, but I like rocks. Don't bring me no rocks. Cops gonna think it's some crack. Feel me? You know, you know.
YouTube. Peace.